Hey guys, Jonathan here, and this is Retether Tech. The Galaxy S21 Ultra was just released, and one of the newest accessories for the Galaxy S21 Ultra was the silicone cover with the S Pen included. That's one of the new features for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. You have the ability now to use the S Pen. So Samsung is selling a case with an S Pen. This case is special because you can store the S Pen. It's a little different from the Note line. It doesn't have a little space inside the phone to store the S Pen, so you have to have it in the case with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. We're going to unbox it, we're going to see what you get, and really see if it's worth that $70 price tag. It's currently $69.99, so let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So a lot of people think that because the Galaxy S21 Ultra has the ability to use the S Pen, this is kind of the end of the Note line. And honestly, I kind of think the same thing. I hope it's not. I always liked the Galaxy Note line, but putting an S Pen on an S phone is kind of new, and we've never seen that before. I don't know if Samsung is trying to tell us, get used to having the S Pen on another phone because it's not going to be on the Galaxy Note line anymore, because there's not going to be any more Galaxy Note line. So we'll go ahead and take this plastic off, or at least can't really take it off. You can bend it forward, but there you go. You have the Galaxy S21 Ultra case right on top with the S Pen, and this S Pen is actually a lot nicer than the S Pen you would get with the Note line. The reason I say that is because it's a lot larger than the S Pen with the Note line. Depending on your preference, you might prefer an S Pen of this size because it's just a little bit easier to use. So the bad thing is that you have to store it on the case instead of actually inside the phone. But I guess this is the next best thing. At least you have the ability to use the S Pen on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Taking a look at what else is inside the box. Well, we have the case, and there's some paperwork inside the case. Guess just showing you how to install the case onto your phone. I'm pretty sure it's not that complicated, so we'll put this back inside the box. And some extra S Pen. Oh no, I thought it was some extra S Pen tips. Oh, it is some extra S Pen tips. So there's an extra one in here. 2 extra ones, and this is the tool to remove the tip from the S Pen. Real easy to remove it. There you go. You slide the other one right in. So just taking a look at the case itself, it's a soft plastic silicone case, pretty much what you're used to with any smartphone case. It feels about the same. Let's go ahead and put the Galaxy S21 Ultra inside and see how it fits. Nice snug fit, and yeah, this is just a really plain black silicone case. Really nothing more to say than that. There's a little slot on the side, and that's where you're going to store your S Pen. Guess you can slide it in like that, and you can remove it from the side as well when you're ready to use it. Now, because it stores the S Pen on the side of the phone, the case is kind of offset, right? There's more, it just kind of makes it feel a little weird in the hands because one side is thicker than the other. So I'm not really liking how that looks, but I guess they needed a spot where they could store the S Pen, and that's all you could really do. Let's go ahead and try drawing with the S Pen. It feels so much nicer in the hands than the S Pen on the Galaxy Note. And really it's because it's just bigger than the S Pen on the Note line. It just feels nicer to write with. So let's go ahead and draw something really quick. You can kind of see, yeah, very low latency. So there is still a camera bump on the back of the phone, even with this case, which is kind of disappointing because there's still a wobble, which means when you're trying to write, see, yeah, see, when you're trying to write something, you still have the phone wobbling back and forth. So not liking that, but for the most part, it's quick, easy to use. So is this case with the included S Pen, is it worth the $70 price tag that Samsung charges for it? Well, I would say if you're a fan of the S Pen, you use it all the time, $70 isn't actually a bad price for getting both of them. You're probably going to put a case on this phone anyways. And if you like the S Pen, then you get the S Pen included with a Samsung case. So I wouldn't say it's a bad price tag. It really just depends if you're going to actually use the S Pen or not. I'm going to try it out for a few days, see if I can get used to having this thicker left-hand side on the case, and I'll let you know if I have any other complaints. So if you don't want to miss that video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you want to check out my first 24 hours with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, my experience with this phone so far, I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description below. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.